The Kia Carens MPV is all set to be launched in India this year. The South Korean automaker has announced several details of the three-row car ahead of its official launch in India. The Kia Carens will be Kia's fourth product in the country after the Seltos, Carnival and the Sonet. The bookings for the car will commence from January 14, 2022. The car boasts Kia's latest global design language that features a signature tiger face with crown jewel LED headlamps and star map LED DRLs. The Kia Carens also features 16-inch dual-tone alloy wheels, star map LED tail lamps, chrome rear bumper with diamond knurling pattern and more. The Kia Carens will come in 5 trims: Premium, Prestige, Prestige Plus, Luxury and Luxury Plus, while it will be offered in both 6-seater and 7-seater configurations. The Kia Carens is 4,540 mm long, 1,800 mm wide and 1,708 mm tall. The wheelbase measures 2,780 mm. The MPV will come with 8 color options: Imperial Blue, Moss Brown, Sparkling Silver, Intense Red, Glacier White Pearl, Clear White, Gravity Grey and Aurora Black Pearl. The Kia Carens is feature-loaded and includes a 10.25-inch HD touchscreen infotainment system with navigation, Bose sound system with 8 speakers, 66 connected car features with next-generation Kia Connect, Smart Pure Air Purifier with virus and bacteria protection, 64 color ambient lighting, sunroof, multi-drive modes, ventilated front seats, paddle shifters, first row cooling cup holders and second row can holders, wireless charger with cooling function, sliding type under seat tray, retractable seat back table with cup holder and gadget mount and more. Safety features include 6 airbags, all-wheel disc brakes, ESC, VSM, HAC, DBC, ABS, BAS, Highline TPMS, rear parking sensors as standard across trims. Engine options include 2 petrol and 1 diesel borrowed from the Seltos. The naturally aspirated 1.5-litre petrol engine produces 113 bhp with 144 Nm of torque, while the 1.4-litre TGDI turbo petrol engine churns out 138 bhp with 242 Nm of peak torque. On the other hand, the oil burner delivers 113 bhp and 250 Nm. A 6-speed manual gearbox is on offer as standard with optional automatic 7-speed DCT for 1.4-litre TGDI petrol and a 6-speed torque converter for the 1.5-litre VGT diesel. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel The Vocal News and don't forget to like, share and comment. You can also follow us on Facebook and log on to our website www.thevocalnews.com for latest news updates.